Making your own natural concentrates has never been easier. Simply add flour to the NugSmasher and get the best rosin in return. And this is our newest member to the NugSmasher family, guys, the NugSmasher IQ. Let me tell you a little bit about NugSmasher. What we specialize in is solventless concentrates. Now what this machine does, this is the beginner or the alchemist's absolute dream. This thing has digital pressure up and down, complete CNC controls, digital temperature controls. It has ramp settings for those of you that do concentrate extractions into rosin. Really a great machine, and backed by, of course, our lifetime warranty and 7-day-a-week customer service. But allow me to start you. We make a full line of products here in our factory in Lake Havasu, Arizona. The first being, the first of the line is our more portable entry-level unit that makes absolute fire concentrates, the NugSmasher Mini. Now the NugSmasher Mini has a 2.5 by 2.5 inch heat plate. It's heated by dual heating elements that are 70 watts each. It has a digital temperature control, the NugSmasher digital temperature control, and works really well with our 3.5, and even if you want a little less pressure, our 7-gram bags. And yes, I did say 3.5 and 7-gram bags. NugSmasher offers a full line of bags for your extractions, and they're measured by grams, 3.5, 7, 14, so on. Those bags come in 4 different micron size, 37 micron for really dry material or concentrates, a 90 micron, 120 micron, and then for really fresh flour material, 160 micron. Now moving on from the NugSmasher Mini up to the NugSmasher OG. The NugSmasher OG has 4-inch by 4-inch heat plates and is capable of doing our 14-gram bags in one extraction. It has single heated elements in each heat plate, 160 watts each. They're digitally powered by the NugSmasher temperature control, as you see there, and this is one of our most popular units in addition to the Mini. And then moving up from the NugSmasher OG, you have the NugSmasher XP. What's unique about the XP is it works hand in hand with the NugSmasher app that you can get on the App Store or the Google Store. It has analog digital pressure feedback from a analog gauge, pressure gauge off the front of the unit. What the app is used for is to convert the surface area that you're applying to the machine and putting the same consistent surface area on the product each and every time, giving you a consistent extraction. A lot of the alchemists out there are using this machine. It's a very popular machine in the NugSmasher line. And moving up from that machine is the NugSmasher Touch. Now the NugSmasher Touch also has 4-inch by 6-inch heat plates. It has dual heating elements. They're 160 watts each. They're individually controlled by the NugSmasher Brain, digital temperature control, and digital pressure feedback on this machine. This machine also comes with the master extractor screen, the help screen, and it comes with digital updates. We've had over 50 updates to this machine since it's been released. It's absolutely the pinnacle of rosin extraction. It's been a great machine. Our customers absolutely love it. Now, to the left of that machine is our Pro series. The Pro, first of all, let's start at the NugSmasher Pro. This unit has 7-inch by 10-inch heat plates. They have triple heat elements in each of them, so the machine has 6 total heat elements. It has dual controlled digital PIDs. It has lights and a fan to cool the plates down. It works hand in hand with a air compressor. It's pneumatically controlled. It has bleeder valves on each side, so you can precisely control the amount of pressure that's going that the plates are applying to the product before the extraction happens. So great machine. It also works hand in hand with the NugSmasher app, giving you the full calculator tool on there, so you can put different sizes for your hash extractions or whatever you're doing and know the exact surface area pressure via the digital or the analog gauge feedback. And to the right of that is the NugSmasher Pro Touch. The Pro Touch has everything that the NugSmasher Pro has, but just digital feedback in terms of the pressure, and then it has digital temperature controls, both top and bottom. This machine also comes with the 6 heating elements, lights, fan. Really a nice unit. Comes with the updates and NugSmasher Pro Touch. Really good for a professional commercial outfit. So there's the whole NugSmasher line. Over to the right, we're on the Mini, OG, and XP display. That's our dealer display. So the dealers out there, if you're thinking about getting a medium-sized dealer display, that's what it looks like. Has all the bags on it and the accessories and whatnot. The whole NugSmasher line, like I said, is backed by a lifetime warranty. We're all the parts design is machined in-house in our factory in Lake Havasu, Arizona. And we have a full 7-day customer service and support available for you via chat or the phone. And I hope you all enjoyed watching. This is the NugSmasher line. If you're wanting to make the very best concentrates, if you want the very best rosin, you want to know where it's coming from, this is your ticket. We're here to help.